new friends, of course. This is Marcel from Brazil and Maisie from North Carolina.
The boat. Is that what you did yesterday?
I think that's the boat that chills there.
Like a safety?
Yeah, it doesn't look like the boat we took.
It doesn't look like the boat.
We should have been able to make.
Desculpa.
It's so freaking hot here. It's worth it, but I'm dying. And the burger is actually really good, even though it's just fast food. And I'm trying a Brazilian drink called Guaraná. Yeah? I said it! Yeah, you guys! Here we go. It's okay. Sorry. So Maria and I said goodbye to our new friends. They went on a boat tour and we went to the bird park. Ta-da! Oh, you can't see. I'll show you guys. Oh, look! He's showing off. Wow. Oh god, they're so cool. Oh, bird fight. Oh. Lunchtime. They sound like squeaky toys. Oh my god. Have you ever seen this many flamingos? Oh my god. Get me out of here. I gotta get out of here. Oh my. Oh wow. It's like really having fun. Yeah. Or something. I don't know. Maybe. Oh, bye-bye. Yeah, that's the fastest I've ever seen. Every time I see a turtle, or maybe it's a tortoise, I have to tell my friend Dana. Danish, look! Do you see it? Oh, he's hiding. This is the coolest bird park ever. Oh, it's too bright. We found the toucan. Oh, he's trying to catch it. Oh, wow. He's just waiting with his beak open. No more food. Oh. Ooh, he almost fell. It's not a bird park anymore. 1, 2, 3 alligators. Oh. Yeah, he's eating. Oh.
You're hating my feelings. My mom's gonna hate all these pictures.
Oh, wow. Hello. Oh, wow. Hi.
Look at that one. That was like rainbow.
What's that one?
I didn't know I was gonna shoot.
Look, it's my new friend. Should we zoom in? Yeah. Come on, open your wings. Oh, they're good. So beautiful.